hold Superman's face and press it down nice and good. Alright. You want to press? Yeah, stamp it. Oh, yeah.
Huh?
You gonna peel it up?
Yeah.
I'm gonna peel it up.
I want to do it.
There's his face.
No, I want to do a laser vision.
Laser vision.
Do it again.
Want to do Clark Kent over here? Clark Kent. It's gonna get nice and flat. Go ahead and use your hand. Push down. Perfect. Oh, that's a good one of Clark. Look, he's got his glasses on. Here we go. Hit him with the laser vision.